Hello, and if you are reaching for this meditation, you may be in need of a short break or reset to your day to just kind of to let it go. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some deep breaths and we're going to sigh it out. We're going to exhale with a big sigh. And there have been scientific studies to show that a deliberate sigh like this, like is a fantastic way to reduce stress. And I'll actually have a link to one of these studies in the description below. So let's get going. Let's do this real quick. So let's breathe in through the nose and exhale out. Big sigh. Inhale. Let it out. It may sound silly, but it can feel good. Deep breath in. Exhale. We've done 3. Let's get to 10. Deep breath in. Exhale. Deep breath in. All right, we got 5 more. Deep breath in. Exhale. Deep breath in. Exhale. 3 more. Sigh out. Deep breath in. Exhale out. Last one. Deep breath in. Exhale. I lied to you. Let's do one more for good luck. Deep breath in. Exhale. Very good. That didn't take long. Although that may not feel like much, notice how you feel right now. Do you feel a little more grounded? Maybe a little more relaxed, settled? I do. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this meditation. If you did, feel free to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Thank you.